Hi everyone, it's Professor Pistone here, and today I want to talk about accredited representatives. To me, accredited representatives are a totally underutilized resource in our toolkit, in our arsenal to provide access to immigrant justice. And so I wanted to spend some time telling you about them and encouraging you to look into it and tell your family and friends about this underutilized authority. So, accredited representatives are individuals who work for organizations that provide legal services to immigrants. And to become an accredited representative, you don't have to go to law school. People from across the spectrum can apply to become accredited representatives. And based on their level of accreditation, if they're partially accredited, they're authorized to provide limited legal services to immigrants before USCIS, U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. That means that as a partially accredited representative, you can provide legal services to immigrants. You can represent immigrants with applications before USCIS. Applications like work authorizations or naturalization applications or adjustment of status, green card applications, or even applications for humanitarian protection, like a U visa, which protects people who are victims of a crime, or a T visa that protects people who've been victims of human trafficking. So there's a whole host of legal services that you can provide as a partially accredited representative. And if you decide to become a fully accredited representative, people who are fully accredited can represent immigrants in immigration court, just like a lawyer would, and yet you don't have to go to law school. So, accredited representatives apply to the Department of Justice, and they need to work for a nonprofit, federally tax exempt legal services organization. And the organization is, once they're recognized by the Department of Justice as providing either pro bono or low cost immigration services, they can apply for people to become accredited and work under them. So it's a totally underutilized asset, especially given that today 6 out of every 10 immigrants confronts the immigration court without an advocate. And in some jurisdictions, only like less than 10% have a lawyer. So this is a way for us to expand access to justice for immigrants and make sure that every immigrant family that confronts the system has somebody who can help them navigate through the process. In fact, research shows that people are 10 times more likely to succeed on the merits of their case if they have a lawyer as opposed to those who don't. So I'm so excited because I recently launched an educational program at Villanova. It's the first of its kind, designed to train people to become accredited representatives and immigrant advocates. And my students are already out there making a difference in the world. So if you're a passionate champion for immigrant justice, or if you know someone else who's a passionate champion and wants to become part of the solution, send them my way. Tell them about VIISTA, Villanova's Interdisciplinary Immigration Studies Training for Advocates. The acronym is VIISTA. And I'll include more information about VIISTA in my next video. So please make sure you subscribe to this channel so that you can stay tuned on what we're doing. And please share this with friends and family who you know who want to become part of the solution and work toward immigrant justice.